Hey, I'm Paul with RackAttack.com, and this is the Thule Evo flush rail base roof rack system for the Volvo V60 wagon in the standard or cross-country edition with flush side rails. This system comprises three components, starting with the Evo flush rail foot pack set of four, and the WingBar Evo load bars set of two, available in silver or black, and then the vehicle-specific fitting kit. And I'll go over all these components in detail, starting with the fitting kit. The fitting kit includes a set of four molded rubber base pads, as well as a set of four of these rubberized metal brackets which grip to the side rail, and a set of four of the fasteners. So these have numbers that are associated to them, which correspond to numbers that are in the instruction sheet to help guide in the installation. And I'll demonstrate on a sample foot here. So here's one of the flush rail feet. I'll go ahead and remove the outer cover. And then within the cover, you see we have a fastener here, and that's what we'll be threading to. So each of these components of the fit kit also have letters associated to them. So you have this first inner bracket is A, and so that would be the first one for the installation. So you install the A bracket first. And then the base pad is B, and so that would be positioned at the base of the foot and pressed into place. And then you have C, which is the outer clamp that just hinges on the top portion. And then your fastener threads to the threaded post. Okay, and then at that point, you're ready to install one of the feet onto the bar. Let's do that next. This is the Thule WingBar Evo load bar that we've cut down so that you can actually see the construction. It is extruded aluminum box beam construction with a dedicated track, and that track can be accessed by opening the end cap and sliding in the hardware in between the two pieces of rubber without the need to cut the rubber. And that allows for a quick and easy attachment of certain accessories for a clean, integrated method of attachment onto the bar. Okay, and then on the underside of the bar, we have a slot here. Let's take off this end cap. And the first step is to install a device that will help to maintain good aerodynamics. This device has measurements. However, those measurements are not used for this particular installation. So that can be slid down to the very bottom until later in the install. Now we can go ahead and take the foot and slide it into place. And then we can go ahead and put the end cap back on to make sure that when you're maneuvering this around the vehicle, this won't just slide off until it's tight. So let's put that end cap back on there. Okay, so when it is time to install this onto the vehicle, Thule has provided a tool, and that tool has a unique design with a handle that clicks when it's fully tightened. So as you're tightening this onto the side rails of the vehicle, you do 50% on one side, 50% on the other, and then finish on the original side until you get a click with this handle. That indicates that it's been fully tightened. And then at that point, you can go ahead and put on the outer cover into place. And now this outer cover is held on with a plastic plug here. Just give that a quarter turn, and that'll secure that outer cover into place. Now you also have some potential open area here that can be filled in with rubber that's also provided with this system. So now at that point, you've got the underside here full and this side full, giving good aerodynamics on the underside of the bar. So this plastic plug, it can be replaced with a Thule lock cylinder for added theft deterrent. This cylinder can be purchased in mat sets. So a 4-pack will lock all 4 of your feet to the vehicle. However, you can purchase a bigger set with more lock cylinders in order to lock up other accessories that you may have attached to the top of the vehicle. That way, everything can be locked and unlocked with one key. Okay, so those are all the key features of the Thule Evo flush rail base roof rack system for the Volvo V60 with flush side rails. This product, along with a full line of Thule products, are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in the video description for all the buying options for this roof rack system, as well as a helpful installation video to show step-by-step the full installation of this rack system on a vehicle. Also, please like and subscribe. It helps the channel. And thanks for watching.